Hello, in this video I'll be reviewing 20 legit websites where you can find opportunities to earn money as a visual assistant, web developer, tutor, writer, graphic designer, content creator. Visual assistant number 1, upwork.com, freelancer.com, fiverr.com, peopleperhour.com, visualstafffinder.com. The second one, web developer. We have toptar.com, jobs github.com, stackoverflow.com/jobs, authenticjobs.com, jobsmashingmagazine.com. The third one, tutor. We have vipkade.com, we have check.tutors.com/tutors, we have tutors.com, we have wazards.com, we have preply.com. Number 4, writer. We have iwriter.com, we have writeraccess.com, we have testbroker.com, we have problogger.com/jobs, we have freelancerwriting.com. The fourth one, graphic designer. We have 99designs.com, we have behance.net, we have dribble.com/job, we have designcrowd.com, we have creativemarket.com. Number 5, content creator. We have youtube.com, we have patreon.com, we have medium.com, we have contently.com, we have constantcontent.com. Take note. Remember to carefully review each platform, understand their terms and conditions, and consider building your portfolio to increase your chances of having or finding a job. Good luck with your freelancing journey, and see you in my next video. Do not forget to follow, like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned.